今天是周六，今天是美国的10号，2月10号，然后中国的正月初五放鞭炮。我要是不看微信，我都忘了中国的那个初五的事儿了。不是初五之前都是一年嘛。然后今天是周六下午4点钟。最近的温度又有点回升，现在的温度是零上12度。然后现在我在我的爸爸妈妈家，然后我就打会儿球，一会儿我们去海边走一走。Do you think I can do 3 in a row? Yeah, like this. Yeah.
Like this? I don't know, you haven't done it in a while.
Okay. Let's see. So now start, okay? Okay. Nice. Next time. Oh no, it's getting. It's in.
Oh, it went out the back. Okay.
Yeah.
I thought it looked funny.
Bah! Okay, last time. See if I can do 4. In a row. Ah. 穿过了这个道，就要到海边了。大概觉得得有2、3个月都没正经来这儿玩耍了。自从好像从中国回来，从那个感恩节之后就没怎么来这儿。
Oh, they put a new porch on. Looks nice.
Oh yeah， 新放的这个窗前有房子前
There's a new house.
这一段东西新修的 new house.
That one.
What? New?
Yeah.
Oh.
Brand new. Remember last year was that little tiny green one? And they tore it down?
Wait. Last time this is crane, right?
Huh? Yeah.
这个前面这个屏幕正中央这个是个新的楼，新的房子，别人在这盖的。
Used to be a little tiny green.
原来就是一个小破房，现在拆了，然后改成这个。这家是个韩国人的一家。啊，喂，没缓过劲儿来呢。可不呗，你看这个房梁都是新的。看这边海边的规定就是说，你要高过，你要有多高，必须要多高，因为这边发大水。死鸟。因为这边要发水嘛，只要你要是太矮了不行。像是老房子的话，就那么着了。如果新盖的房子，必须要遵守那个规定，就是你要去找批文呐，然后你把你的设计计划都上交，最后他觉得你这个可以，政府才会让你盖。然后这边还这个房子已经大框快盖完了。Notice anything? It's wider. The dune
Filled in more. Like the sand has blown off of the dune over this part, make it more level.
Huh.
Remember, it used to go down
Yeah.
way up. And that's kind of the dune is getting smaller.
Yeah. 其实这原来的时候，去年的时候这个栅栏还没有呢，这是去年刚修的栅栏。然后去年去2年，这个就是这个小山包也是刚修的，就是为了挡着这个海啊涨潮，不要侵犯到后边一些居民，就控制一下这边的水位吧。前边这些很远处有船在那停着进港。行，仔细看一下前面是不是很远有船。Do you think that the boat in front of parking there, they're going to the Wilmington or Philadelphia?
Either one. It could be either one. They're waiting for professional people to
Guide them?
well, not really guide them. Fill them.
Are you 8? Are you 8 Virginia?
No.
No? I didn't know if you were or not.
Nick, do you have a good day? It's good weather. Come on. I ask a question. It's a YouTube. Don't pay attention.
Well, it didn't exactly sound a whole lot like a question when you said it.